Got this product I wanted to try out. Not a sponsored video. I just wanted to buy it and see if it was gonna foam better than the gun I had been using, which is y'all over here. This one here. So as you can see, this one has like a little different options: the screen, clean, vertical, and the foam setting. So what I want to do, I'm initially going to use this gun here on the truck. What is this? Water. At this point, both of these cars need to be washed. Had a dirt knocked off of them, so I'll use this gun here on the truck, and then for the box Chevy, I will use, for the box Chevy, I'm going to use the foaming sprayer that you see right here. First up, let's do this. Used before. It's just a wash and wax concentrate. It should still Suds. It says super sexy. So we'll just pour some in there. Kind of missed the hole a little bit, but it's all good. Alright. This is just to give y'all an idea on how the comparison is, and if it is worth. I forgot what I paid for this one. However, I mean it foams. I don't know if it foams. So as you can see, I mean it does create suds, but I don't know if, like, that's not it for me. Like, it's like, that's like dish detergent suds to me. That ain't like suds. I know y'all done seen the pictures of different vehicles getting washed, and it looked like they've been suds on. So that's what that looks like with that, man. Come over here. It's an easier, safer way to wash your car in less time. Maximize your sub, maximize your shine, maximize your fun. 100% guaranteed. This product is from Riot's Garage. It says foam it up, so we should have something like this, hopefully. So you add 3 ounces of the brilliant finish car wash to your favorite car wash solution to the reservoir. Fill the reservoir with water, attach the pistol grip nozzle to the garden hose, and connect the reservoir to the nozzle. Release the foam, deep clean, rinse and dry. So should be pretty straightforward. So it comes with the foaming container sprayer thingamajigabobber, and it comes with this gun. Boom. This is like a quick connect. So you connect it on there like that. As long as you shoot the block up and then take it off real quick like that. So, as you can see, I was able to do that with one hand. So it is not very difficult to do it all. So that part. Alright, well, let me get the water hose switched over. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LS254, man. And I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by LS254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LS Chevy or Caprice today. We have our nozzle on. I don't think it's anything special about how it sprays, but so we got that on there. We have our same solution that we used in the same first one, you know, for consistency reasons. And we got about 32. I don't know if you can see it, but got about 32 ounces of water. So it says you need to add 3 ounces. I'm like not no professor, but I'm gonna be like 1, 2, 3. That might be a lot. This ain't no scientific channel, man. Y'all already know that. All right, let me get this food on and get the food. What I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna one-handed. Put this on here. We'll just show you how it goes on there. Just clicks on. You pull that back and put that on there, and that's it. So let's see what happens. Real-time reaction. I think I did everything right. Let's go. Okay, now I can honestly say that like this is some Suds stuff. You know what I'm saying? This is like make it rain on the Suds. You know what I'm saying? This is crazy. That's a crazy difference. It's a crazy difference. I may be going a little bit excessive on this side. As you can see, it's going down the level in the little jug. But yeah, man, like I much rather like Suds it down with this one. Like, look at it. It's like, look at the difference. Like, it's Suds everywhere. Suds everywhere. Still not like super duper, and I think that's just because of this solution. But even with the same solution, it's still more. I mean, that one doesn't say foaming per se. It does say super sexing, but yeah, so definitely a whole lot more. Definitely a whole lot more. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you think it's worth it for the Griffles Garage foaming sprayer? I gave you a comparison to another product, and y'all let me know. Leave it down in the comments. It's your boy, LS254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Oh shit, I was supposed to be spraying the shit. Alright, hold on. we got the Chevy cleaned up. You can see the scratches and everything in it, but it clean for the most part. I mean, it is what it is. This ain't the final paint job, no way. But she did clean up well. What I did, I ran to the store. Because last time I used this Prime Shine Washing Wax Concentrate. I actually caught it on sale. Contains wax, safe off finishes. So to really put the foamer thing to the test, I went and I bought foaming car wash concentrate. So this one is specifically supposed to foam. So let's see if there's a difference. And it's made by Rainier. So we'll see if it's better than this Purple Power brand we got here. Got our concoction mixed up here. We're gonna see if it foams any better than the other one. So, if I'm gonna be honest, man, if I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't see that big of a difference. I really don't.